the first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45, and the sum of its terms is 1000. Find the number of terms and the common difference of the arithmetic progression. Let's start by first noting the given information. So I know the first term is 5, so for that I can say A is equal to 5. I know that the last term is 45, so I can say L, the last term L is equal to 45, right? And the sum of its terms is 1000. Now I don't know how many terms are here, so I'll consider the sum of its terms as sum of n terms, right? The sum of n terms being 1000. Right? We want to find the number of terms. Basically what we need to do is find the value of n first, right? And then we want to also find the common difference. Okay, so we've been given the first term, the last term, and the sum of n terms, so we will be using the sum of n terms formula, which has the first term and the last term involved in it. So S of n is equal to n by 2 bracket A plus L. Right? We'll use this formula because we've been given the first term and the last term. And with the help of this, now so let's substitute the values that we know. So S of n we know is 1000. So 1000 is equal to n upon 2. N is unknown to us, so we will leave it as it is for now. Upon 2. A we know is 5, right? And the last term L we know is 45, right? So what we've done is we've plugged in all the known values. Now as you see in this equation, n is the only unknown, so we just need to solve for n, right? So taking the 2 from the left to the right, or sorry, from the right to the left, it becomes multiplication. 100 into 2 makes it 2000. 1000 into 2 makes it 2000, sorry. 5 plus 45 is 50. So 2000 is equal to 50n, right? 50 is multiplication here. Taken to the other side will become division. So we have 2000 upon 50, right? So therefore I can say n is equal to 2000 upon 50 is 40, right? So I can say, so I know n is equal to 40. I found a number of terms, and I want to also find the common difference now. Okay, so understand the last term is nothing but the nth term in this particular scenario here. So if I know that the last term, so I can say Tn, right, or rather T40, the last term we know is T40. We know this should be equal to, because you know there are 40 terms, so the last term will be T40 is equal to L. T40 in terms of A and D, if you guys remember, can be written as A plus 39D, right? So this is nothing but A plus 39D, right? And that is equal to, we have the value of L as 45, right? So let's just plug in the values for A. So now if I plug in the value of A, that we know is 5. So, and then if I check this out, so I have 5 plus 39D equal to 45, right? Just rearrange this equation and I should get the value of D. That's the only unknown in this one equation. So let's take the 5 from the left hand to the right. Yeah, so 39D is equal to, equal to 45 minus 5 is 40. So therefore I can say D is equal to 40 upon 39, and if I write it as a mixed fraction, it's 1 upon 39, right? So that is the value of the common difference D. Okay, so that's what we need to find, the number of terms and the common difference of the AP. So let's write our final answer. Therefore, number of terms is equal to 40, and the common difference is equal to 40 upon 39, if you like it that way. Preferably don't leave it as an improper fraction though. Convert it to mixed or decimals. Mixed here seems good. So 1 upon 39. This is our final answer, which we will put in our final answer rectangle.